Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to another video of our web development series. So far we have learned a lot about HTML, right? We learned about the basic HTML codes, and then we made our own portfolio website, and then we learned about image tags and lists and everything. And now we have come to how to create forms, all right, in HTML. So, okay, I'll just open my Chrome. I have this pic. So, a form basically looks like this, right? Where you got a first name, a last name, date of birth. I mean, these can be anything, but you can like type your own things here and click on the submit button, and this information gets submitted, right? So, this is what a form is, alright. So, before jumping in, what we'll do, we'll just write forms, HTML, and MDN. Okay. We'll just open this link. Uh, the form HTML element prints a document section containing interactive controls for submitting information like this. Alright. Then there are attributes and stuff. You can like read about it and get what it means exactly. Alright, and then like there are different things. Then we have some examples and stuff like that. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go here and let's write form. I mean, we don't need an action as such right now. We'll talk about it later. Now we have created a form. Let's go live. Let's see. Okay, it's empty. What does that mean? So, I mean, this just simply means that we got an interactive thing with this. Alright. So, you can like think it as what that this tag does is it creates something like this. Alright, that's it. There's no information in here as such. So how we get, I mean, these things and these boxes. So for that, um, we got our name. Sorry, we got two things. One is labels, okay, and one is input. All right. Uh, so these are texts basically written for addressing a box like this are called labels, and these boxes are called um, input boxes. All right. So you can have different type of inputs. Let's just go to input here and let's see. So there are a lot of input types. There are buttons, checkboxes, color, date, daytime, local, and whatnot. Alright, so let's just try one thing. Let's just try and make something called label. Okay, I mean the for is not needed. Just write name here for now. Okay, and then write um, input type text. Alright, let's try and save this. Yeah, let us try and save this and let's go to our page again. You can see, okay, we got something here, right? At least it's something. Similarly, what you can have is, let's just add a PR tag here. Cool. You can have different labels. I mean, see, the text box is one important, and you can see that this button is the another important thing, right? So let's just remove the label for now. Let's just write, I mean we don't need a label right now. Let's just write input type uh, button. Okay, let's just remove this input and we can just have button here. Let's have value as submit. Let's just save it and let's just go to web page. Let's see. Cool. I mean, see, it's not aligned or anything, obviously, but like all the alignment I just told you, we do it using CSS. But still, try to see it. It looks something. Alright, cool. Similarly, you can have other input types which you can check on your own. Like there is suppose checkbox. Name ID is not required right now. We'll talk about it later. We'll have input as datetime. Another important input I want to talk about is password. Password. Let's save it. Let's go here. Yeah, we got a lot of things, but why the date time is not working? Okay, let's just go here. Okay, it's just simple date. Uh, let's go here. Let's just have date here. Okay, so let's save it. Let's go here. You can see you can choose your date from here. You can have the checkbox and see the password box. What's interesting here is see the password is encrypted. All right. So yeah. So you can check the input of MDN and you can like have different types. You may check it on your own and see how everything works. All right. So I guess that was all for right now about the forms. We'll in the next video we'll try and look at what do we say? We'll make a contact me form. All right. So I guess that was it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you later.